Hey, how y'all doing? Uh, just wanted to give you the latest on what we're putting out here at Pasadena Avenue Analytics. And this thing here is something that I feel like a lot of people is going to be excited about because this is something that I wanted to have when I was trading Forex back in the day. Like, I really wanted to be able to see across every single pair to see what breakout is happening at the time, and to be able to just, hey, just show me something that's going to allow me to look at everything from a bird's eye view, and then I'll be able to go in to see if there's an opportunity and go in there and mark up the charts and see if I can make a trade happen. So let me show you what we have here. And what you see on the screen, this is like the first page. Algorithm looks at all of the Forex pairs over the last 100 periods on a 15-minute period. And it says, all right, out of all these pairs, which ones have been performing the best? Which pairs are going to give me the highest opportunity to buy into a pair and then exit out of a pair at a price that's higher than the price that I got into the pair? But I just need to know which ones are most likely to be able to do it. So that's what the app does. You're gonna get a disclosure rating. Agree. All right. So you're brought to this page here, right? The last 15-minute candle happened here. Nothing's going on except there's a trailing stop on Euro USD CAD. The enter was 815. You look at this candle, USD CAD. Let's look at that. Let's pull that up. Let's go to trading view. Look at that. This is live, folks. See this? And the time, if you notice, like right now it's 8:44. Right here it says it's 12:40. So the time trading view isn't your time. Like, it's not your time. So if you're back testing using trading view, just know that whatever time this is, just kind of match this time with this time, and you'll be able to see. But you see, there is a breakout. You see that breakout? And there is a trailing stop. There's a trailing stop right here. See that trailing stop right there? So that means that it hasn't met the rules to get out. This is the signals. On the side here, this the time frame, and these are the pairs at the top here. CAD JPY is here. And you can pretty much go through all of them. It gives you a bird eye view of every single one of them there. You could go here into this chart here, and you can see, like, let's say that I'm just this is my strategy. I'm waking up in the morning. I'm trying RJPRI. This one would be a horrible pair. Actually, this would be a horrible pair to sell on or buy on. This would be a great pair to sell on, but it'd be a horrible pair to buy on. This would be a great pair to buy, good pair to buy. You might get one, you might not. Volatility is going to be really, really high on those. And like these returns, this is based on if you went in and got out. These are the ones you will make your money on. These are the ones you will lose your money on. And so on. Here, this kind of breaks down like KPIs of your pairs here, max drawdown, all of the signals. The drawdowns for those signals would be here. That would be like where your money is going, where it's leaking out of your pocket. Returns here, like these are the ones you can tell which ones are driving it, which ones are. And Sharpe Ratio. The Sharpe Ratio is the measure of returns versus the volatility. So it's based on the measure of gain versus risk. Anything above 1 is really good. This is really good. This is excellent. Because if it's above 2 is good, it's really good. And if it's above 3 is excellent, this is excellent. This is excellent. This is not excellent. This isn't excellent. This is bad. That's bad. This is good. Bad. And so if you're able to narrow these down, you could pretty much have an ability to make positive trades on a strategy that's bullish using Forex. And so what I did was I made a tab that just narrowed those down. So these are all the high Sharpe ratio trades. Pairs. Each one of these have a high, you can tell, like you look at the graphs, none of these are negative. All of them have high returns on those. And you look at these numbers here, all of them have above 0 Sharpe ratio. And so these are the trades that are being called out on these, right? So and then like a lot of them are going to be fake outs. Because that's what Forex is. Forex is a market of fake outs. Like you may get a break above, then it drops. You may get, you may get like different things happening. This is calling out the breakouts, but your strategy is still going to be your strategy. How you get in the trade and how you exit out the trade, and your risk management is going to still dictate how much money you're going to make from trading Forex. This here is a tool that kind of puts you on to what's going on across the market, and you'll be able to open this up for the price of a chicken biscuit. You can open this up and you can look at, this is going to be for the person who starts with Forex, because it's going to take a lot. It's going to give you information to take away a lot of the frustration. And it's going to be for the people who's making $1 million in Forex, those big ballers that my cousin talk about all the time. It's going to be for them, because this is some analytics they don't have to do. Because this thing runs every 15 minutes and it's evaluating the market every 15 minutes, and it's doing the work that a robot does. You're not a robot. You're going to be able to benefit from this robot doing the analytics for you. You ain't going to have to worry about doing this. It's going to save you time. And just like in the Bible, it says, redeem your time for the days of evil. These are going to help you through evil days. And so looking at this here, you see this opportunity here, and you can see like it's bouncing off of support, and it's definitely going to go up. You would have been able to get in here had you had you ran the report at the right time and saw what was happening. You'd be able to get into the trade based on what it said, and you'd be able to ride this trade. That is my tool, Forex Dashboard, and the link is below. Check it out, and I hope you have a great trading setup. Thank you for spending time with me. Have a good day.